pit side of the track. 3, 2, 1. We're gone, and here comes Lewis out. Lewis is coming out. He's trying to get out of the pit. Look at that 4-bike tie-up right there on the front straightaway. And here comes Lewis, injured leg and all. Lewis is looking at Milano. Oh, it's almost got him. He is after Milano for doing what he did to him in the first heat race. Here he comes. Into the back of Milano, and off the cycle goes Milano. And Lewis is hot, and he's not going to let up until Milano is out of it for good. Oh, he's after him again. Milano shoved him. But Lewis has got the bike. Oh my! It's Mystical to the front straightaway. Lewis and Milano going at it. Motorcycle official down there trying to separate him. Another rider down. And there comes both drivers down. Oh, they're going after each other again. One more time. As the other motorcyclist, well, what the heck is this? That flag stick will hurt. Well, they're separating for the moment now. The action resumes. Lewis, two guys battling out on the front straightaway, and two bikes not far apart going after each other, 9 and 15. This time I think Lewis really is hurt other than his leg. Yeah, some kind of a facial injury. Looks like he's pointing to his face. Milano is back in the pits in his green helmet. And Lewis is hobbling off. Well, tough break. Lewis, good competitor, and they just had everything he could take from Milano tonight, I guess. Look at that guy down there. In the black jacket, number 21. Dave Johnson at 21. Johnson going after another cyclist. 18's got a pylon hanging out of it. 15 almost took out a tough collision down there between the number 14 bike and bike number 2. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6 bikes. Call that a near miss in airplane language. Another hit there on bike number 18. Bikes running, 5 bikes running. And Milano is back out. And here comes Milano, the bad guy of the night. A hard hit there on the front wheel. And he gets it from behind. Oh, and a hard hit. Milano runs over top of the guy. disqualified for the second time. And, it's not over yet because Lewis is after him. There wasn't a rider there on bike number 6. Might have been curtains for him. Number 15. Surveying the damaged motorcycles there, still running. Along with the number 20 bike. And Bonanno is back on the track. His helmet. Bonanno now on the number 16 bike that he was on before. Oh, and a hard hit to the 19 bike. Bonanno is back underway. I can't believe it. Hit on number 18.
The guy in the brown is the guy that's drunk. He is plastered. Marky, watch out. Like he's gonna take. Watch his spot. He's gonna spill it. Oh man.
Hard spill there on the front straightaway. Look out! Oh, why? Bonanno ran right into this guy on in the white helmet. Oh, he's all over bike number 9. And look who else is back. Brian Lewis is back on bike number 9. Injured leg and all. Bonanno heads for the pit. Lewis says, come on out, I'm waiting for you.
He just threw something. That guy's drunk.
Oh, my. An attempt on Lewis ended up bike number 15 on the ground. And here comes Bonanno. Look out, Lewis.
I guess you can get back up and go.
Look out, everybody.
You give up.
Lewis trying to get that number 9 bike refired. Here comes Bonanno into bike number 15.
That works pretty
Lewis! Lewis is bike into Bonanno, and this is Bonanno, but this is the end of bike number 9 for Lewis. Oh, and another hard spiller on the front straightaway.
He messed his leg up. I can't believe it. Look at that guy in the orange. He's mad.
Bike number 5, running. Bonanno running. Bonanno takes a hit from 15 off his bike.
He's the one that started the fire up for the guy.
A hard kick from the guy in the blue helmet on his machine.
He's kicking his motorcycle. The red. Watch it.
Well, we're getting close here.
I wonder what you win.
How come this guy is the only guy? Lewis almost got hit by Bonanno. Wait a This guy's in bad shape tonight, but he's still going after him.
Oh, somebody threw peanuts out there. This guy's stupid. They get run right over. That's my motorcycle. He did it again. Oh my God.
Bonanno again being shown off the speedway.
There's no rule. You can do anything you want. Oh, he's big. He'll go and kill that guy. No, he's leaving. I can't believe it.
Bike number 21 running.
He gave up. I can't believe he gave up. He's really good.
Bike number 14, I believe that's the other number. Is that number 14? Or 19? So it's 19 and 21.
Drink your chocolate, Bob.
2 has refired.
Oh my God.
I'd like one of those guys to stop and pick up even if it's
Oh, he's back out there. And the guy in the green and white helmet.
Number 21 gets it from both ends.
That was so fun. That guy tried to knock him off. Just go for him. Fell right
Oh! Almost problems for 15. He almost lost a leg on that one.
Yep, you see the guy in the
Next to rear end at 21.
He's drunk. That guy's flat. I wonder if they think 21 is you. Yeah, they do. Jeff said. But he quit. Jeff was in it? No. No, Jeff was telling me. The guy's helmet just came off when he fell. These guys are going to have a bad case of road rash. I think what I should do, but I mean, I have no idea what I should have done. Next to somebody's home.
Are we getting close here?
Road rash too, man. You hit him in the head. Look at, he's going for another motorcycle. He threw down his, he's trying to get another one. He's got a cone.
21 complete with a pile-up.
He's cooked with a cone.
Number 15 still up and helping. Oh, right in the back of 21. Taking the rider right down on the pavement.
Oh, that hurt.
Trying to finish off number. How about Demolition Derby for the motorcycles? Here